Get a feel for the 2024 RAM ProMaster 2500. Make your business all it can be with this well-designed ProMaster 2500. With enhanced towing and payload capabilities, this comfortable, tech-savvy vehicle offers the flexibility and features you need to succeed. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine, keyless start, highly capable yet seriously comfortable. That's the ProMaster 2500. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.